Hey everyone, my name's Nick and I'm on the design team for the Tilvus Assistive Interface. I'd like to give you an overview of some of the program's key features. This software was designed to help quadriplegics use a computer with any single switch, like a head switch or a sip and puff switch. So everything you see here is being done with just a single button. And for that I'm going to have Matt, another person on our design team, use the button to show some of the key features to navigate through. Here you see that this is our main menu in our helm, and it's scanning back and forth between menus. When you want to select a particular menu, you wait till that menu is highlighted and you click the button. And then it will highlight a subset that's in that highlighted group. The idea is that when the option that you want to select is highlighted, you click the button again and it loads that whatever feature you're looking for. Also, if you're stuck in any menu and you want to get out, it's easy enough to get out by clicking the double arrows. Those are usually found at the bottom or on the sides of a menu, and that helps you get back to the menu scanning option so you can readjust or select the feature that you're looking for. On the right we have our helm. That is designed primarily for navigation. The first column you could see is mostly for mouse and keyboard navigation. The upper left icon is our coaster cursor, and the one right below it is the crosshair cursor. And these features we go over in a later video, but essentially they're used to move a mouse around a screen. At the bottom of this column, you'll see our phrase weaver predictive keyboard. And again, you can see that the helm opens up on the right. The helm is apparent in all of our menus that helps you to navigate depending on where you are when you're using your computer. You can see there's a keyboard on the leftmost. And again, these features will be gone over in a later video, but just to give you an overview, this is the phrase weaver predictive keyboard. If you want to exit any menu, you can click the X in the helm that's in the lower right corner, and that'll bring you to the menu you were previously in. So now we're back to the main menu after you apply that click. The middle column, at the very bottom, we have our standard keyboard. This is a non-predictive keyboard that you could use just for typing in standard letters. And you can see the helm comes up again, and you notice there's certain icons that are grayed out on the helm. These are icons that don't really apply to what you're currently doing. For example, in this case, our keyboards are grayed out because there's be no reason to open up a keyboard if you're already in one. And again, he can at any point you could click on that X in the lower right to go back to the previous menu. In the very middle of the helm, the middle column and the middle button, you have an application switcher. And this will cycle through open applications until you find the one that you're looking to bring up to the front of the screen. And you can click the button again at any time. He clicks now and he's opened up the notepad. And you can see that the keyboard has come back up because since we're on the notepad, the program knows that you probably want to type something. So it smartly opens up the keyboard for you. At the very top of the middle column is a menu bar scanner, and by selecting this you can highlight different options in the menu bar. You can see here now a notepad is highlighting the different menu bar options one at a time, and at any point when your option is highlighted you could click and go into that sub-menu. So if you wanted to close the program, you could click on File. Now it's highlighting all the options under the File menu, and then apply a click again when Exit is highlighted in order to get rid of Notepad. Finally, the rightmost column holds the X that I've already described that helps you get out of menus, and the upper icon, which moves the assistive interface either to the top or the bottom of the screen. This is primarily used if the interface is in the way and you want to move it because there's something you're looking at the top or bottom. It's just an easy way to move it out of the way. On the left here we have our main menu. These are just our main options that you can choose from. You have the applications and settings and themes. Applications is just a quick way to launch commonly used applications. You have Notepad and Firefox up there, just to name a few. And again, it cycles through those options until you find the one you want to open. You can apply a click at any time and it'll open up that program. And then of course once you're done you can exit and it'll go back to the appropriate menu. In the middle we have our settings. All of the settings that you see here, all of the from the scanning speed to the speed of cursors, and even particular preferences that you might have in terms of menus or how they appear, are all selected through this. settings menu. So at any point you can click on these. These are all can be controlled with a single button click. So it's easy for a user to change the menu quickly. There's also a way to reset to the defaults if you don't like the settings that you've changed. And then finally, down at the bottom, we have our themes. The themes are just the basic personal preferences that you might have in terms of color scheme. So these are just preloaded themes that we've developed. You have a basic theme, which is just a different color scheme. It might be a little bit easier to read for some viewers. We were before looking at a glass theme, which is transparent, so you can see what's behind it easier. And the Chrome theme, Night and Obsidian are just other color schemes to tailor to your particular preferences and needs. Again, this is just more a personal preference. It doesn't really have an effect on how the program runs. It's just how the look and feel of it can be important to certain users. So I wanted to provide that option. So that's basically an overview of the different options that our software provides. Again, you could you can go to our website www.tilvus.net to get more information and to watch other videos. And thank you for participating and for watching this video. And we hope to see you on our website in the future. Thank you.